If you love Nokia smartphones, and are currently on the lookout for an outstanding Nokia smartphone, we've got some exciting news for you. That's right, Nokia is about to launch an absolute powerhouse of a smartphone, packed with one incredible feature after another. This beast of a phone is rumored to come with a 250-megapixel DSLR level camera, and a monster Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 processor, all at an unbelievably competitive price. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia V1 Ultra 5G. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the fully leaked specs, price, and launch date of this absolute game changer. So let's start. Features of Nokia V1 Ultra 5G. Display. First up, the display, and oh boy, it's a stunner. This phone is expected to rock a 6.79-inch LTPO OLED display, with a jaw-dropping 2K resolution, and a buttery-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. But that's not all. You also get an in-display fingerprint sensor, and the toughest protection yet, Corning Gorilla Glass 7. Camera setup. Now, let's talk cameras because this is where things get insane. The Nokia V1 Ultra 5G is rumored to feature a quad camera setup on the back, headlined by a mind-blowing 250-megapixel primary sensor. And it doesn't stop there. You also get 50-megapixel, 24-megapixel, and 5-megapixel secondary sensors for ultra-versatile shooting. For selfie lovers, Nokia might just drop a 50-megapixel front-facing camera. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is an absolute beast. It's expected to pack Qualcomm's latest and greatest, the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset, ensuring blazing fast speeds and next-gen efficiency. And for software, you guessed it, Android 16 straight out of the box. Battery and charging. Worried about battery life? Don't be. This monster is rumored to come with a massive 7000 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. And to top it off, it'll support 125-watt ultra-fast charging, meaning you can go from zero to hero in minutes. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will it cost? The Nokia V1 Ultra 5G is expected to be priced around $799, making it a serious competitor in the flagship killer segment. As for the launch, rumor has it that Nokia might drop this bad boy by the end of 2025.